Hello, welcome to Bell CB. I'm using a Connex 3300 HP today. This is for Brian in Alabama. He asked me to do a tune-up and receiver improvement mod conversion and put some diamond plate covers on here for him. And this is what we got over here, Brian. 10 watts across the top. Got the power in low right now. Coming in right about 2 watts. Put it in high. It's up pretty close to 10. Now for peak power on my peak reading meter, 10, 20, 30, 40 watts right there.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.